How to get Libra man. You have a deal with a very brilliant and extraordinary guy at the same time. That's why when it comes to his seduction, it is usually hard to every woman to understand his mentality and behavior in the relationships. But in this video I will give you the most simple and probably the best tips on how to attract Libra man in your life. If you follow the tips I'm gonna give you, you can make him even fall in love with you, what actually is not easy to do. If you want to get Libra man, you can impress him by means of your intelligence and high-class personality. He's a very smart guy, and if you are going to cheat him on, literally you will be disqualified very fast, without having any chances even of becoming his friend. Because of his analytical mind, Libra man always takes the most rational decisions, especially when he's looking for serious relationships. And here you can use an opportunity to show him your best feminine features of character in order to win his belief faster. Not every woman can do that, but if you are honest and authentic lady, that would be enough to make Libra guy interested in you. Besides that, you can get Libra man from the first dating, because he's a sign who always wants to be in the relationships rather than staying single. And that is an amazing opportunity for those women who used to fast seduction without wasting a lot of time on studying the pickup lines for girls. In order to succeed with Libra guy, it's just necessary to make an intrigue in the relationships. He loves women who don't show their real character and behavior looking at beautiful men. So you have to reveal yourself slowly, step by step. That is the key for making him interested in you. Libra man also likes flirting women who are simple at communication and who are not used to show their interest to every stylish and rich man on the street. Just add more mystery and approachability when you meet him for the first time. That can extremely increase your chances on the way of his seduction. Keep also in mind that Libra sign is ruled by Venus, the planet of love and everything beautiful. So in order to attract a guy of this zodiac sign, you should definitely pay a lot of attention to your appearance, clothes and charisma. After all, if you consider this man as your future husband, let me shake your hand. Because you made a great choice. Libra is one of those guys who wants long-term relationships and dedication to one woman. But she must be a really cool personality in order to make him do such a serious step like marriage proposal. Libra men are considered as the most equilibrated and kind people in terms of astrology. That's why angry and too much emotional women have no chances of having the relationships with them. You probably know that Libra is an air sign, and it means he loves logical and easygoing women. For him, planning a future with you is just a normal phenomenon. He wants a reliable woman whom he can easily open his soul and unusual character to. Staying in the relationships with Libra man, you will suddenly realize that he can predict the future and circumstances in advance. But he always needs the time in order to analyze everything precisely. So don't be angry with him if you are used to get answers on some questions quickly.